The adolescent character that I chose to do was Lara Jean. She's in the movie called To All the Boys I've Loved Before, which is a Netflix movie. Lara Jean is in high school. Currently in her life, all she has is her father as her parent. Her mother passed away a few years ago, so he is the most important parent in her life. Um, she's also one of three kids. She's the middle child. She has a younger sister, and then her older sister just moved away to college in a different country. So she was really close to her older sister, who kind of like was her mother figure. But now, because she doesn't have her either, she has to kind of figure out how to do stuff on her own. Her dad is also very disconnected. He took the loss of her mother really hard, and it was tough for him to bounce back and kind of step in the father role. So she does lack the parental guidance that she needs, and someone who's there for her. She kind of is able to do whatever she wants to do. Her dad doesn't really have strict guidelines of what he expects from her and her younger sister. Um, so the videos that I watched about adolescence talked a lot about how parents are a key role during this time in an adolescent's life, with setting rules and boundaries and expectations um, for the kids, and in times when parents don't have strict guidelines for their teens, it can be hard for them to make the right decisions. Lara Jean never made any bad decisions, but there was definitely times in the movie when you could see that she was struggling without having a parent, and towards the end of the movie, her dad kind of opens up and says how he regrets that he wasn't there, and sometimes when she needed him, because he was too busy mourning the loss of his wife, and he goes back to say how he regrets not being there to help her, and she really could have benefited from him. As a social worker, I said that a social worker could help her and her dad and possibly her whole family. The social worker could um, give different resources and help her get the guidance that she needs without the mother figure in her life. And that could be helpful to her and her younger sister. And then also her dad could go to counseling, because there's definitely people that are like him, struggling without their wife and how to raise kids. So a social worker would be a really good source of an outlet for them.